Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. Today in this brand new video, I want to show you how you can easily download or install H&R Block Tax Prep app on your iOS device. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the tutorial. First of all, make sure your device is connected to secured internet connection and let's click on the App Store. In the above search, you can just type in H&R Block Tax Prep. You can find various of options here. For now, let's click on the second one and here you go. You can watch the screenshots and review. If you want to, click the get to start the download process. It will open a prompt where you can be asked for your ID verification. You have to verify your identity with Face ID or Touch ID. And finally, the download has been started. It may take a few minutes, and after that, our block tax prep file taxes is now available on your device too. Open the app and explore its features. For now I have to go. Thank you so much for watching video till the end. We will bring more of this type of content in upcoming days, so make sure to hit the like button. Also do not forget to subscribe our channel and set the bell icon to all. Feedbacks and queries are truly appreciated in the comment section. I will see you guys again in our next video. Have a nice day.